We'll guide you through how to turn off Gemini on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you don't like using it and you don't like the feature. So what we can do is go and turn it off. Make sure it's this guide as we're guiding you through the different options you've got in order to go and do this. Let's go and get started. So what you need to do is go and swipe up and find settings. You can always go and search for the top or swipe across and go and find it. Here we are. Now what we can do is we can come and scroll down, and to get started we can come down to apps, wait for this to go and load, and we can actually go and get started by removing the Gemini app. So press search in the top right and then you can go and search for Gemini. There it is, go and tap on it. Come down and at the bottom we've got the option for uninstall, so we can go and tap there. Then we can go and press OK. It'll then go and say uninstalling. Then what you want to do is you can go and press back. Then what you can do is, if you still don't like the feature, you want to come and find Google services like so. Wait for this to go and load. Just go and be patient and you can go and press all services to the right. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see the option Search Assistant and Voice, and you can tap there. Then what you need to do is you want to go down and you can go and find the option for Google Assistant and tap there. Then you can go and scroll down and you can find digital assistants from Google. So to go and turn off Gemini, you can go and select Google Assistant instead, and you can go and press switch. Then you can go and submit that. I'm just going to close off of it. So now we've turned off Gemini and we're using Google Assistant instead. Now, if you don't like to go and have Google Assistant go and pop up as well, when you go and say, hey Google, what you can do is go back to Google Assistant here and you can go down, find general, and then what you can do is you can go and turn off Google Assistant like so and go and turn it off. So then when I go and say, hey Google, it is not going to go and appear, which is what we want. So that's it. That is how you can go and turn off Gemini. As I know a lot of people can go and find it annoying. It has got its benefits, but in some cases you just don't need it on your device. So that is it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more how-tos like this in the future. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you out.